In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily make new EA account for your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, you will need to open up a browser and then search for EA. Now go to the EA's website. Now wait for it to load. And after that, in the top right side, you will see the profile icon. Click on it. Now here, click on create account. You can use one of your existing accounts below or start from the beginning. So you can use Google, Facebook, Apple, etc. Or you can just select your country and all of that and create a new account. So here first you have to select country, and after selecting country, enter here the date of birth. After that, click on next. Now here enter email address, select a EA ID. This is how your friends can find you in the app or in the EA games. Your EA ID must be 14 to 16 characters long, and then here enter a password and click on next. Now here you can choose your profile visibility, everyone, my friends, friends of friends, private. Then here you can select allow players to find me with my email address, email me about EA products, news, events and promotions. And then you have to check this box, I have read and accept the user agreement on all, and then click on create account. Now here go open your email inbox and enter the code which will be sent by EA to you. After entering the code, click on next. So now this is your EA ID and this is email. Now you can use this on your PlayStation 5 while playing EA games to log in. So just click on finish. Open your inbox and here you will see verify your email address. Go open it and click on verify now. It will take you to the EA website and your email address is verified. Now your new account is created and you can use that to play EA games and apps. So this is how you can do it, and thanks for watching.